Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is show you how to scale images while protecting the subject within Adobe Photoshop. I want to make the background of this image bigger whilst protecting our swimmer in the middle. So with the layer highlighted, what I'm now going to come to is any of the selection tools, and let's use my select subject option up here like so. And as you can see now, the artificial intelligence within Adobe Photoshop has registered this is a figure, and now they've made a selection around it. With that still live, I'm going to come to select and say selection. Let's say we call this swimmer, and we're going to press OK. Now we're going to deselect, which the shortcut is Command D on Mac or Control D on Windows. And then what we're going to do is now come to Edit, Content Aware Scale. What we're going to do is protect our swimmer, like so. And as you can see now, when I start to resize this in my image, the swimmer is being protected. Let's say we move it out there like so. Wonderful. And I can move our image up now, like so. Maybe make it a little bit bigger here as well, like so. And that's how you scale up images, guys, whilst protecting the subjects within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website, guys, at blueskygraphics.co.uk. And also there are recordings that are coming out on a weekly basis, so please make sure you take a look. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.